Look at this pulley on this dryer. It's making a lot of noise. It's pretty much a bad pulley compared to this one. This is quiet. So this pulley is bad. Esta polea hace mucho ruido, ya no sirve. En comparación en esta, está muy buena.